the students from 11th and 12th are going to perform a humorous drama to make us laugh. Let us laugh and learn by the way of their drama. The scene is an interview part. The characters are H.R. Priyadarshini, Clerk Raju. He can understand English but he cannot speak fluently. Candidate 1 Angel Agarwal. She is so good in English but she shows indifferent behavior. Candidate 2 Gayatri. She is good in English and as well as good in behavior. Candidate 3 Malai Sheikh. He is so poor in English. Let us observe their performance. The drama starts. Where is the clerk?
Excuse me, ma'am. May I come in?
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Whether all the interview candidates have arrived?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you inform me?
You didn't ask me, ma'am. Now call her.
Hey, wait. First, bring me a cup of coffee. Go.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, man. Wait a minute. Why are you looking so confused?
Kannada use program, ma'am. I am all right.
Ah, man, just bring me a coffee. Go. Here in my office, I have to maintain all the activities and tasks.
Kannada use program, sonna. Why is scolding?
Anyway, let us start the interview. Call the candidates one by one. Before that, ask them to fill this form.
Your sleep. Hi, white chocolate. It is not a white chocolate, ma'am. It is a form.
Bring me the first candidate.
Okay, ma'am. Hey, ma'am. Hey, I am calling you, ma'am.
I mean, you call me. I forgot.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey man, what are you doing?
In my village, no water.
Why are you doing like this?
You like my dress?
Hey man, what do you mean?
Hey,
Hey, what are you talking about?
you want chocolate? Take it. No disturb.
Why are you doing like this? Please keep quiet.
Excuse me.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please take a seat.
Don't you know the formal way of dressing? No, ma'am. Today's trending is Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Actually, I forgot my password.
What's your password?
None of your business.
What?
No, ma'am. It's my password.
Yeah, just listen.
Do you have any job experience? No, ma'am. Actually, this is my first job in this company. But I have worked with my father in the fishing. Bada bada machli.
What is meant by bada bada machli?
That means big fish. Don't you know?
Introduce about yourself.
My name is Angel Agarwal. I'm from West Bengal. I applied for this job by seeing the yesterday's newspaper.
Your qualification?
I complete BSc, MSc and MPhil.
Oh, I mean you have completed 3 degrees. Well, tell about your family members.
My
Hari Rama Jai Krishna Gopal and Nayakar Roy. Is this your father's name? Oh, ma'am, it's my father's and mother's name, ma'am. What is meant by work? Work is a task. Well, please wait outside. I will call you later. What is the debate? Bring me the second candidate.
Come, man, come.
Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah, come in. Morning, ma'am. Good morning. Please take your seat. Do you have any job experience? Yes, ma'am, I have. Well, I will ask some questions to you. Who is the President of America? Joe Biden, ma'am. Great. Who is the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi, ma'am. Good. When we get independence? At 1947. Great. Which gas helps to live? Oxygen. Good. Which is the first stage of human evolution? Monkey. Okay. Which animal carries more weight? Donkey, ma'am. Well, okay, please wait outside. I will call you later. Okay, ma'am.
Interview is easy,
Yeah, I think it is good. Bring me the third candidate.
Hey, man, come. Come on.
Come here.
We get in now.
Good morning. Take your seat, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I told you to sit on the chair. Sit. Do you have any job experience?
I don't know, ma'am.
Don't know? I will ask some questions to you, okay? What is your name?
Malai Singh.
Nice name. Who is the father of nation?
Joe Biden.
When we get independence?
Mahatma Gandhi.
You can understand my question?
1947.
What do you mean?
Monkey.
You know farmer?
Donkey.
Get out!
I'm appointed. Appointed. Not the vaccine.
Did you selected for this job?
I don't know.
You told to me also wait. Okay. I asked some questions. Can you answer? Okay. Do you know rocket launching station?
Rocket. Our Sivagasi.
Okay. Where was Vallur born?
Our Vallur Kotai.
Vallur Kotai. Okay. Which speed rocket goes?
Rocket. Soybean.
Okay, now I tell one simple rhyme you will repeat. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you want. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Twinkle. Abaya, Beria, like a diamond babo in the sky.
Yeah, I ask simple questions to you, but it is long answer.
Okay, stop it. I asked two simple questions.
Okay.
First question. How many letters in ABCD?
26.
No, 4 letters. A, B, C, D.
Such a rubbish question.
Okay, I ask another question. How many letters in alphabet?
26.
A O means how many letters?
25.
No, 23.
How?
A O D 3 letters go.
Such a foolish question, ma'am.
Simple question you don't know.
What is this? How I know? Where is the clerk? Call me the second candidate.
Come, candidate 2.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Congratulations. You got selected for this job. Oh, thank you, ma'am. I hope you will do the best. This is your appointment order. Sure, ma'am. It's my pleasure. You will join on Monday. Okay, ma'am. You may go. Thank you, ma'am. Clerk, inform to other candidates. Better luck next time.
Candidate 2 only appointed, otherwise move. You not appointed? I don't know, man. Move. Why am I crying? No English, no job, no money.
You don't worry.
What worry, sorry.
What's your name?
Malay Sheikh.
Where you come?
Kurunji Malay.
Kulzimalai. My family members are there.
I don't want your family number. Need only job.
You don't worry, okay? I put a song for you. Let me dance.
Okay.